My name is Brendan Elias and I'm the owner and CEO of the China Import Formula. And what we do is, since we opened our doors a decade ago in 2009, we help people who want to start an online business and sell on places like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, find a hot product to import from China, bring in a quality product and sell it online. So we are a company that focuses on building people who have a job, they don't love their job and want to do something else and spread their wings. We help them become entrepreneurs. So I initially came across Dialpad as a recommendation. So instead of using Optus, Vodafone, Telstra or any of the companies, by using a VoIP service, you're not paying for those international calls. So imagine if we were paying international calls from Manila or wherever it is to Australia, you'd be talking tens of thousands. We are doing tens of thousands of calls on a monthly basis. We save tens of thousands of dollars on a yearly basis. We have a weekly report which shows you a leaderboard, and it shows you which of your staff are actually making calls, how many hours they're spending. And we've used that to actually do two things. Firstly, reward people. So if someone's in top position making a number of calls, we can see their actual stats, but also by mining the stats of the people who are doing really well, we identify those people and use them to train other people. So we basically uncovered a dishonest employee, but also allowed a meritocracy to form where the people who were putting in the hours based on the software were allowed to succeed, flourish and get promotions and higher pay salaries. I'd recommend it to anyone who's doing more than $1,000 a month worth of calls. If you're paying for international calls, or you're paying and the costs get past $1,000, or someone who's got more than, I'd say 3 to 5 staff, that's probably when it is. If you're just doing 100 calls a month, then you probably just want to stick to your normal provider. But if you're growing, or you can see that there's going to be a bottleneck, then you'd be crazy not to get the cost savings by jumping on Dialpad. So anyone who does a lot of calls and has that as a wing to their business to support their business really needs to jump on Quick Smart. Final thoughts is I just want to say thank you. It's been one of those things that just solved a problem that was a necessary problem to solve. And now that that problem's solved, we get to just get on and do what we do best, which is help people find products to import and sell. So we're really grateful. We're big supporters and we're excited to continue to use it. And as we roll out our team, bring in more and more licenses as our staff grow.